Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Rec Room error code plot. The error appears when players try to log in. It asks for the password, but even after entering the correct password, the error comes up and the login fails. As per our research, the error may be caused by login issues, unstable internet connections, or temporary server problems. First, try resetting your password. After resetting your password, log in with the new password and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then power cycle your device and router. After that, make sure the game is updated to its latest version. Then check if the error is resolved. If the error still comes, check your Wi-Fi settings. If your router is automatically switching between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, then this can be the reason for the error. So try manually selecting between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz and see if this helps. Or you can also contact your internet provider for help. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try connecting over a different network. Use another Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot and check if this helps fix the error. If none of these steps works, then the issue may be server-related. In that case, wait for some time and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.